Hi, I'm Steve with ProGrass, and we're here in downtown Portland at a high-rise building that needed a drainage do-over. The building's probably 50 years old or so, and the original drainage design essentially stopped working effectively. And so what we have done, we've worked with architects to design, and now we're installing a system to help it drain properly. And so what we have here are original drains on this terrace level area, which is above ground. And and because it's above ground, we have office space and garages underneath us that have to stay dry. And so these original drains used to drain fine, but now they don't. And so what we're doing is we're installing along the wall on the outside is a French drain on each side, and every so often a drain pipe comes across to the central drains to take the water away. And the way we're doing this is we're digging a trench on each side of the wall, and every so often you have a weep hole that comes through to bring the water from this side to this side, and then from this side every so often there will be a drain pipe taking the water to the central drains. And that's the way this whole system is going to operate around the whole perimeter of this building. Are the weep holes that bring the water from this side to this side, and that will stop the water from overflowing and spilling down the outside wall and staining the walls. That's what we're trying to avoid. And so in here we have the drain pipe, and on this we have filter fabric, and then there will be gravel in there to cover the pipe and the fabric and catch the water and bring it to the side it needs to go. There's also irrigation lines, as you see, that we have to work with and around. Over here we can see some of the finished work. Okay, over here we have some of the finished look, the French drain, and wherever so often there's a clean out box, and from there there's a drain pipe, the central drains out in the middle of this terrace level. And as you can see here where we cut the turf to run the pipe, that shows where the central drain is and where the French drain wraps around the building. And every so often there is a central drain about every 40 feet apart and down along this side as well. That's the drain project we're doing here, and it will work better now, and we won't get stains on the outside walls of this nice property here in West downtown Portland.